Okay, now we are at this. We're going to the Henderson Wave, and we find out there's a lot of cherries here. Can you see cherries? Happy is collecting the cherries. Ada buah cherry. Happy buat apa ni? Cherry. Is it cherry? Betul ke ni? Wow. Okay, we are taking a lot of cherries here. Happy is taking cherries at this particular trees. Betul ke ni cherries? Oh, banyaknya. Okay. So we are now. Okay, I let you see there. Oh, cherry. Pokok cherry. Ini memang masih dalam pokok, atas pokok ni. Ada yang dah kutip. Benar ini cherry. Happy, ambil apa lagi? Nah, ni dari pokoknya ni. Atas pokok kau ambil. Oh, ni kat mana nanti? Nanti nampak kita tengah collect cherry. Ni dekat Alexandra Road. Kita nak naik atas ni. Kita nak naik Henderson Bridge. Dekat Henderson Bridge ni. Ada cherry, buah cherry Dah dapat banyak. A lot cherries. Okay, ni pokok dia. Pokok cherry. Alhamdulillah. Now we are going up to the Henderson Bridge. Daripada here is actually along Alexandra Road, heading towards the Henderson Wave. The pathway is towards the Mount Faber. So we're going to go walk about 5 kilometers from here, and then to maybe Telok Blangah. Then we go down there, and down there maybe ada masjid. We see how whether we gonna have our prayer. Kalau boleh kat sana, InsyaAllah we will update you again. Okay, bye bye. Jap. Ni Happy. Bye bye.